If you want to kick the springtime season into high gear, make this strawberry dressing spinach salad recipe. Now for salads, I always love making my own croutons. For this, you just gotta make some nice little cubes, place it in a pan with olive oil, your favorite seasoning, and then toss until nice and golden. For the strawberry dressing, cut the stems off and then cut it into quarters and place in a blender jar. To the strawberries, I'll add some canola oil, some white wine vinegar, some freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm gonna add some liquid honey. Here I have a spicy honey, or you can use creamed honey, just melt it down, and then add some freshly cracked pepper and some salt. Use a stick blender or a small blender to puree the dressing until nice and smooth. Transfer it to a small container and set it aside. Apart from a bowl of baby spinach, you'll have to prepare a few vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, and some red onion. And then I also want to prepare some avocado right before I serve the salad. So sprinkle on the carrots, onion, bell pepper, avocado, of course the star of the show, strawberries, with some crumbled feta cheese and the croutons. A few toasted almonds for flavor, and then you're ready to drizzle on that delicious strawberry dressing. Make sure to find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com and click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.